The Nothing Phone 4 is one of the most awaited smartphones of 2026. Expected to launch in July next year, it will arrive with Nothing OS 4.0 based on Android 16, offering a clean, minimal design with major improvements in speed, smoothness, and eye features. The Nothing OS 4.0 update will bring better animations, improved layouts, and Google Material 3 styling. Notifications will be smarter, grouping similar alerts. Built-in apps like Camera, Gallery, and Weather will run faster and get small AI upgrades. The lock screen will be more useful, showing live updates like delivery tracking or ride status without unlocking the phone. Security will also get stronger, keeping harmful apps and files away. One of the biggest upgrades could come with the new Glyph Matrix. The earlier version was criticized for having no practice use, but in the Nothing Phone 4, we might see a larger Glyph Matrix display powered by AI. This could make it far more practical, with smarter animations, real-time updates, and app-specific alerts that turn the Glyph lights into a genuinely useful feature instead of just a visual gimmick. By the way, did you like the Glyph Matrix design? Let us know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, according to rumors, Nothing Phone 4 could feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED LTPO display with high resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. It may pack a 6,000 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging plus wireless and reverse charging support. The camera setup is expected to include three 50-megapixel lenses on the back and a 50-megapixel selfie camera. Features like True Lens Engine 4, Ultra XDR, Night Mode, Macro Mode, and Action Mode will help capture sharp and detailed photos in any condition. Up to 100x zoom could allow close-up shots without losing clarity. The device may come equipped with Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 5G connectivity, NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 7, up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, and long-term support with 5 years of Android updates and 7 years of security patches. Overall, the Nothing Phone 4 looks set to deliver a big leap in performance, design, and usability. With a better display, huge battery, advanced cameras, smarter software, and upgraded Glyph lights, it could be one of the most talked-about phone launches of 2026. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing Phone 4? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.